hurting it.
You're doing great, little one. Keep it up.
What's happening, Dad?
Hold on to me, little one. It's okay, little one. We'll help you.
More friends, Dad?
Yes, little one. Let's take them to a safer place. That's it, Collie. Gentle does it. Almost there, everyone. Just a little further. There. Let's take shelter in that cave. We made it, everyone. Safe and sound.
Dad, look!
Collie, look, our family, our ancestors weren't just herders. They were guardians, leaders. They guided all creatures, not just sheep. This is our true calling, little one. A purpose far older than we knew.
Wow, cool!